Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to apply the Blu-ray scanning effects to your videos on CapCut. So this effect is pretty new to CapCut, and I'm going to show you how you can use that to your videos. So first, just head to the video effect, and the Blu-ray scanning effect can easily found under the scanning category in here. So this is Blu-ray scanning. Click on that effect. You can see now the effect will look like this, but you can always adjust it furthermore. You can always adjust the glow, the blur in the background, the intensity of the Blu-ray scanning, the speed, and also the range. Like this. When you're done, just click on the check icon and adjust the effect to whole clips like this. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks and thumbs up icon, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.